Hello everyone, welcome to episode 4 of Beginner to Pro Crochet Classes Series 2. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a star shape. Since we have already covered circle, triangle and square shapes, so in this fourth video of series 2, we will cover how to make a star shape. As I explained, this is going to be a very interesting chapter and you will learn very good stitches in this video. So we will almost cover all the stitches in square shape, so don't miss it. Again, we are using same baby soft yarn, 3.5 mm of hook, pair of scissors, and we'll begin with, as always, magic ring. So we are making a magic ring like this and make a chain 1 into the magic ring. After chain 1, we will do chain 2 more chains, and then we'll begin with double crochet. So we will make total 10 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, 10 double crochets done. Fasten the magic ring thread, close the magic ring, and then join this round to the very first space with the help of a slip stitch. Okay, now for row 2 we will do chain 2 only, chain 2 for row 2, and then we will just, for this row we will not make double crochet stitches, we will make half double crochet stitches only. And on top of every stitch, to increase the circle, on top of every stitch we will make two half double crochet stitches. So every stitch would have an increase stitch. Okay, so into the very first space I am making 1 half double crochet and then second half double crochet. Into second one again I am making 2 half double crochets. Okay, into third one again 2 half double crochets. Into fourth one again 2 half double crochets. Into fifth one again 2 half double crochets. Into sixth one again 2 half double crochets. Into seventh one again 2 half double crochets. Into eighth one again 2 half double crochets. Into ninth one again 2 half double crochets. Okay, and into the last stitch and 10th one again 2 half double crochets. So total at the end of this round we should be having total 20 stitches, and to the very first space we are joining this round. So you see we have small circle with us. Now we will begin the star part. So star has 5 different edges, right? So for that we will make it like this. We will begin with, here on top of this, for next round we will begin with 8 stitches. 1 2 3 8 chain stitches we are making. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 chains. We will make 8 chains. This star is going to be a big star, more like a starfish, so you can also call it a crochet starfish. So in that only I am teaching you how to make a big star and crochet starfish. If you want to make a smaller star, what you can do is just make the first round the smaller circle with the 10 or 12 stitches, and then you can maybe start with 5 chains instead of 8, and you can adjust the stitches. So I will show you. Once you will learn this, you will understand easily how to make the smaller star as well. So 8 chains we are doing here. We will skip the very first chain space, and into the second chain space we will make 1 slip stitch. You remember I taught you how to make slip stitch in series 1. So just like that we will make 1 slip stitch. Into the next space, chain space, we'll insert our hook and make 1 single crochet. Into the third chain space, yarn over, insert and make 1 half double crochet. So how we did, we made 8 chain spaces, skipped 1, then into the next chain we did 1 slip stitch then 1 single crochet, and then into the 4th chain space we did 1 half double crochet. Now into this 5th one we will make 1 double crochet. Into this 6th one also we will make 1 double crochet. Now 7th and 8th chain spaces are left. What we will do? We will make triple crochet. As I told you, we will cover all the stitches in this star shape. So here triple crochet we are going to make in the last 2 stitches. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook, pull from first 2 loops, then second 2 loops, then final 2 loops. So in series 1 I have already explained how to make triple crochet stitches. If you have watched, you would have known how to make triple crochet stitches properly. Now again into the 8th space we will make triple crochet. Okay, now 1, 2, 3 and 4 we will skip the 4 stitches. Okay, and into the 5th one we will make here from the beginning 1, 2, 3. So total, you see, we have total 20 stitches. So if we will cover 4 stitches, then we will have 5 corners. You can divide like this. And if you have only 12 stitches, then you can maybe take 3 stitches. Okay, so you should have the calculation of working on any project, then only you will be able to understand how to make a project by yourself. So now if you are making it like this, so we'll skip 1, 2, 3 and into the 4th one we'll insert our hook and make a slip stitch. Okay, not 4th one, we'll skip 4th and into the 5th one we'll make our slip stitch. Okay, now similarly we will make the next wing of the star. So again we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 chains. Again same pattern we will follow. Skip the first and to the 2nd chain space we will make 1 slip stitch. Then into the 3rd chain space we will make 1 single crochet. Into the 4th chain space we will make half double crochet. Into 5th we will make double crochet. Into 6th we will make 1 more double crochet. Into 7th and 8th we are making 1 triple crochet. 1 and 2. Okay, now we'll have to skip 1, 2, 3 and into the 4th one. So if you are counting this one as well, then it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then this one. Here into this space we will insert our hook and make a slip stitch. So 2 wings done. Now the 3rd wing. I am going a little fast now. Okay, you should also start practicing fast now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So same work we will do 5 times as we are making 5 wings. So first one I have done slip stitch, then single crochet, then half double crochet, then double crochet, again double crochet, then 2 triple crochets, 1 and into last chain space also 1 triple crochet. Okay, now again 1, 2, 3 skip and into the 4th one insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Okay, now next 4th wing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip first and into 2nd slip stitch, into 3rd chain single crochet, into 4th chain half double crochet, into 5th chain double crochet, into 6th chain double crochet, into 7th chain triple crochet and into 8th chain triple crochet. Now again 1, 2, 3 skip 3 and into 4th slip stitch. Now last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 1 into second slip stitch, into third chain space, single crochet, into fourth half double, into fifth double crochet, into sixth again double crochet, into seventh triple crochet, and into eighth again triple crochet. So this is the fifth wing. This is also done. Now we can join into this very first space where we begin our star first stitch. So here we can do slip stitch, and then we'll do chain 1, cut the yarn here, go to the back side, bring both the ends together like this, and then make tight knots into the center. Okay, cut the extra yarn. Now you see our star cum starfish is ready. So this is our star shape, and this is more like a starfish. If you want to make small star shape, you can. Now I am sure you can make small star also. So this is your project for today. You will have to identify by yourself. I have given you the hint that the center circle, the small circle, is enough for a small star. So, and you don't need to make the triple crochet stitches in a small star. What you will have to do is the center circle, first circle you will make, and then you will make chain 5, skip 1, start with single crochet, half double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. No need of triple crochets. And then once you are done with 2 double crochet, we'll skip every 2 stitches, and after every 2 stitches we will join the corners with slip stitches. So we'll have total 5 corners like this, 5 wings for the stars like this, a star like this. Okay, so this is the project for you today. You will have to make yourself a small star shape. This is the bigger one. So I'm sure now you would be able to practice and try by yourself how to make a small star shape. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood how to make a clear star shape or starfish for that matter. And I will see you into the next video. I think we have already covered the required shapes. In next video, I will show you how to make a puff flower. Okay, and in next video we will learn. Also, you must be wondering of how to make rectangular shape. So I'm not going to make a separate video for that, but in next coming videos I'm going to cover a basic bow, how to make a basic bow. So in that I will show you how to make a rectangle shape as well, because basic bow, for making basic bow we need to make a rectangular shape first. So I will cover that as well. Don't worry about the rectangular shape. And for now we are done with the unique shapes, and in next video I will start with the flowers part. So we will make puff flowers, daisy flowers, medium size flowers, big size flowers, everything we will cover. Okay, so in next video I will show you how to make puff flowers. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.